guys, welcome back to the Coding Academy. Today we are starting our Python tutorial, actually for beginner. Today we cover some important topics like how to get input from the string and some slice related functions we are also discussing in this video. Let's begin our video. Let's go to the PyCharm. First, today I will describe you how to get input from the user. Simply write input what is your name, then print name, then run our program. You can see that our program is successfully run. Which minute? Here we can write coding academic, and you can see that after getting the input of the coding academic, you can see that our name, because you print the name, variable name is name, and the coding academy is successfully print. And now we move over in a string. Has is used for comment. I already explained in our previous video. And for the string, my str equals to John Wick is a mastermind guy. Our string is John Wick is a mastermind guy, right? After that, we just simply print our string. So what we can write? Print my str. Okay, just run our program. You can see that John Wick is a mastermind guy is simply printed our string, right? Then you also get that what is the length of this string, right? Then simply print len my str. Len means it is the length of this total string. You can see that our string is total is 30, right? Here we can modify also. In our previous video, I already discussed about how array, and you can write I0 to 15, right? And I simply run this program. You can see that John is a, because J is starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? And also we can write here every letter was removed after one letter. Let's run this program. You can see that John means O and N was removed after space, and W was removed and C was removed, and the space was removed also, and the s was removed, space again was removed, and we can write here only 50. Okay, let's I explain video properly. Coding academy, right? In the string, always start with 0. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. In that case, you can simply write 0 to 15, because you always write after onwards number. In array also you can start with 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13, -14. We can see in this example -1 and run. At that case, you can see that our whole string was reverse case. YUG means guy, mine, everything was in a reverse, right? If I can write 2 and run this, you can see that this was removed, first this, and U was removed, and G was here, and space was removed, and D was already, you can see in this example. And at that case, every number was removed, alphabet was removed in this case. Let's go another example. This is always talking about slicing, and print my string dot is L. At this case, we are discussing about the Boolean values. You can see that here is a false. If I remove all these spaces from a string, then it was giving a true, right? And I give a space between this word, then false. Is also after the new, there is alpha. Again false, because alpha is the same, numerical and alpha value are not available in this string, that's why it's give the false value. Print my string dot and with it is used for last sentence of the string. Let's run. and with is used for last value of the string. Let's run this and you get it. And switch it is used for and switch it is used for last value of the string. Let's run this and you can see that this one is a false, okay, and this one is a true because the guy, if I misspell this and write this guys, then it's give a false because the and switch guy is not a guy, is guys, that's why it's a give a false value. And also we can count this string, print my string dot count. In that case you can count let's n, how many ends available in this string, then run. 2 ends is available, you can see that 1 and 2, okay. And let's try I, how many I is available in this string, 3 I. In this week 1 I, 2 and 3. And count is used for how many character in the string. And let's print my string dot capitalize, and you can see that we can change this J in a small and run this video. You can see that in the capitalize always the first letter of the string was capital. And another is print my str string dot lower. In the, if you using the lower function, at that time I change this J and W is capital, and then I run this. You can see that everything in a lower case. And if I write print my string dot upper, in that case this whole string was a capital. Let's run. You can see that this whole string is a capital. And the last one is a print my string dot replace, or in the replace is, we can replace is to R, but it's just very stupid things, but we can do here for the information. John Wick are a mastermind guy. This was very stupid things, and this today I will discussing totally about how to get input from the string and how to get the slicings of this string value, the length of the value, and alpha num is used for Boolean values, and with count capitalize is for the first letter of the string is capital, and the lower means the whole string was in a small letter, and the uppercase is for whole string was a capitalize, you can see that, and the replacing from the is to R. Thank you for the watching this video. In our next video we try to uploading some new things in our Python. Also, we are uploading a blog link in our description box, so please read this for the more description. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section.